Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a video on questions of HCF and LCM. If A and B are prime numbers, what is their LCM? This question came in 2013 of 1 mark. In LCM, if A and B are prime numbers, there is no common factor between A and B, so their LCM is AB. Example, suppose let A be 2 and B be 3. There is nothing common between A and B, so their LCM is 2 into 3, 6. Now second question is, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1. Example, consider two consecutive numbers 2 and 3. So there is no common factor between 2 and 3, so HCF is 1. Third question, what is the HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number? Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest composite number is 4. You can write 4 as 2 into 2. Since there is one common factor 2 between 2 and 4, so the HCF is 2. This question came in 2018 for 1 mark. Now fourth question, what is the product of HCF and LCM of smallest prime number and smallest composite number? Smallest prime number is 2 and smallest composite number is 4. 2 is common in both, so HCF is 2 and LCM is 2 into 2, 4. What is the product of HCF and LCM? Then multiply both of them. Now next question is, if P is equal to A cube B square, Q is equal to A B cube C square, A, B, C being prime numbers, what is the LCM of P and Q? For LCM, we are going to write the highest power. In A, see here it is 3, here it is nothing given, so the power is 1. In 3 and 1, which is bigger? 3. 2 and 3, 3. There is no C square, so you can consider that C ki power 0. Then which is bigger among 0 and 2? It is 2. Next question, if A is x cube y square and B is equal to xy cube, x and y being prime numbers, what is the HCF of A and B? In HCF, the smaller power. 3 and 1, the smaller is 1. Y ki power 2 and y power 3, which is smaller, y power 2. Answer. Now next question is, find the HCF of these terms. In these, look at the powers of 2, 2 power 3, 2 ki power 4, 2 ki power 2, which is the smallest term in 3, 2 and 4. The smallest one is 2. So write 2 ki power 2. Look at the powers of 3, 2, 3 and 1. The smaller one is 3 ki power 1. Amongst the powers of 5, the smallest one is 1. Since 7 is in the last term, so we will exclude it. Now look at the question number 8. Find the LCM of these terms. Among 3, which is the largest power? 1 into 2. Then write 5 square and 7 square for LCM. In LCM, we include these terms. Now next question is, if two positive integers x and y are expressible in terms of primes, as x is equal to this and y is equal to this, what can you say about HCF and LCM? Is LCM a multiple of HCF? Explain. X is is equal to p square q cube. Y is equal to p cube q. As done before, LCM, the highest power of p is 3 and highest power of q is 3. For HCF, the smallest power of p is 2 and the smallest power of q is 1. Now LCM is equal to p cube q cube. Write it as p square q and p square q square. Instead of p square q, you can write HCF. Yes, LCM is a multiple of HCF. We will now explain it by taking an example. Let p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. X is equal to p power 2, 2 power 2, q power 3, 3 power 3. Y is equal to p cube, 2 power 3, q 3. LCM is 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. That is 2 power 3 is 8 into 3 power 3, 27. HCF is equal to 2 power 2 into 3. 4 into 3, that is 12. Now write LCM, multiply both these terms. It is 18 into 12. So for 12 you can write HCF into 18. So it is proved that LCM is a multiple of HCF, hence proved. Now last question is, if two positive integers a and b can be expressed as a and b, p and q being prime numbers, find the HCF and LCM of a and b. Now try this question and answer this in the comment section given below. If you like the video, all you have to do is give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Thank you.